If you've ever added a word to Grammarly by mistake and want to remove it, this video is going to walk you through the process step by step. Whether it's a typo, a name you no longer need, or a word you accidentally saved to your personal dictionary, this quick tutorial will show you how to clean that up fast. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Grammarly dashboard at app.grammarly.com. Once the dashboard loads, look for your account icon. This is usually where you'll find your profile and settings options. Click on that account icon, then choose account settings from the menu. Now that you're inside your account settings, look for the writing tab. Grammarly organizes a lot of its language and preference tools here, including your custom word list. Click on writing to open those options. After that, scroll or look through the settings until you find Personal Dictionary. This is the section where Grammarly stores any custom words you've added over time. Inside the Personal Dictionary, you'll see the list of words you've saved. To remove a word, simply hover over the word you want to delete. Grammarly should show a trash can icon or an X next to that word. Click that icon and the word will be removed from your dictionary. If you have more than one word to remove, repeat the same process for each one. Hover, click the delete icon, and confirm that the word is gone from the list. This is a great way to keep your Grammarly dictionary organized so it only contains words you actually want it to recognize. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can remove added words from Grammarly and make sure your writing suggestions stay accurate and clean. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.